going to look inside the switchman or the series of the M5 panels, the switch panels from the SONOFF brand. They are based on the communication of the Wi-Fi switches, and they have the BLE connection inside. Also, you can use them together with the assistants such as Google and Alexa, and they have main functions for the switching, timing, and also scenario and scene control. Also, they are supporting group control and inching mode and controlling through the LAN. If we look inside, they have 3 different models from 1 gang, 2 gang, and 3 gang. There are 2 main colors, black and white. I have the black one here. You can see the datasheet inside the panel. They are very easy to wiring. They need just the power supply from the phase and neutral wires, and then you can connect the outputs for different outputs of them, maybe 1, 2, or 3 outputs, and easily you can use the buttons to integrate them into the Evelink application through the Bluetooth pairing mode. And so this is very easy and fast to pair them. If we look, it has a very nice view and color, and I like them because they are very similar to traditional switches, so you can enjoy this. That's easily you can use this as a normal switch and benefit from the smart features through the application and also inside the device. As you can see in the back of the panel, this device has the wiring needed. There is a protective cover on the back. You can remove this by holding this, and you can see the main power supply and also the output circuit. Each of the outputs has 10 ampere maximum current consumption, so it is powerful for most of the circuits, and you can control different circuits using this. And this one is M5 1C80, and we have 2C and 3C here. And let's see the others, the 2 gang and 3 gang. That they have the same features, just the number of the output circuits will increase in each model. This is the 2 gang model. You can see with the different standards on the back, and still I like the color and design. And the 3 gang module, the 3 gang switch, you can see also you have the screws inside the box. It can be used for control of 3 circuits at just 1 wall box. To install this on the wall box, it is very easy to remove the frame on the back of the panel by using this tip. You can remove it and then fix it into the wall, so it's has the places for the screw, and then you can add this to your wall box, or easily you can order one of the switch frames. They are coming in the 1, 2, and 3 gang modules. You can order them through the SONOFF website, and then we have here, if I can open it easily from that side, we have this face, and it is very easy to put it in any wall, and then just put the modules together. For example, this is very good to have 1, 2, 3, and 6 lines of lighting in one place, and also you can mix and match them with other the devices. Let me push them here, and yes, that's it, the final installation that you can have. When you fix it with the screw, so it can be more fixed, so you can use it in different parts of your building, and also you can choose how many of the circuits do you need in each space. In the next videos we will see the device in function and the real installation.